Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Top 10 fantastic ways to make money on Amazon. So make sure to watch the full video. Don't panic if you're afraid you've missed the e-commerce boat. It's only now starting to move. Although there are many e-commerce firms that can make it simple to sell goods online, including eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy, in my opinion, Amazon is the best place to make money online. For individuals who want to enter the e-commerce industry, Amazon offers a great opportunity. Over half of Amazon's $386 billion in income from third-party sales in 2020 came from these sources. But how can you participate in the Amazon pie? There are many fantastic ways to make money on Amazon, so this video explores the best ways to do so in 2023 to help you determine which strategy might be the most effective for you. Interested in enhancing your education? Let's get started. 10. Market your private label goods on Amazon. Private label sales using the Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) network are still the best way to make money on Amazon in 2022. The private label strategy is used by about 67% of all Amazon sellers to operate their businesses. Private labeling is the practice of producing an already existing product, ideally with product improvements, adding your branding and logos to it, and then selling it to customers. White labeling and brand creation are other names for it. The practice is widespread and has been used for years. Two examples of private label brands are Walmart's Great Value and Target's Mainstays. Amazon is able to deliver your products, typically in 2 days or less. You're probably familiar with Amazon Prime, because of FBA. To list products on Amazon and profit from sales, e-commerce business owners like you and I must follow these steps. Due to a number of benefits, Amazon makes private labeling even simpler. To start, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout, an all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon, to project how much money your product will bring in once it is listed there. Next, using resources like Alibaba or Jungle Scout supplier database makes it simple to find manufacturers and source materials for your products. After creating your product, you can finally sell it on Amazon using FBA. Even shipping your own orders is optional. 9. Use Kindle Direct Publishing to release your personal books. Amazon Your own books can be published on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. You have the option of printing actual copies of your book in addition to the digital version. The only drawback to this strategy is that you frequently need to produce a lot of writing in order to succeed. Volume is the real secret to publishing success, even though it is possible to release 1 or 2 extremely popular books. More writing equals more money. The content need not be written again once it has been written. Additionally, you don't need to stress about inventory. By chance, the serial entrepreneur also published a fascinating article on how to become a Kindle millionaire. How to make $1 million selling ebooks, tactics and case studies is definitely worth reading if you want to make money on Amazon with KDP. 8. Market bulk products on Amazon. Selling wholesale entails buying large quantities of merchandise to resell through Amazon's FBA network, much like private label. However, the main distinction is that you are reselling goods manufactured by other businesses. Consequently, you don't have to worry about the product's production and branding. It's one of the most preferred methods of income generation on Amazon for many sellers. Due to the likelihood that you will be sharing the buy box with other resellers, it is much more competitive than the private label market. The only lever sellers have to compete with one another is to lower their prices in comparison to their rivals, which can occasionally result in a race to the bottom in terms of prices. Aside from that, the purchase itself is where the profit is made. You won't make money if you can't buy your products for a low enough cost. The fact that 61% of wholesale sellers on Amazon generate $5,000 or more in monthly sales is still impressive. 7. Ship products to Amazon. You're probably aware by now that Amazon offers its own delivery service. But did you know that you can work as a delivery driver for Amazon? You can do just that, thanks to Amazon's Flex program. Simply complete a brief questionnaire, download the company's app, and if you're accepted, you can start earning money right away. Imagine Uber for Amazon delivery services. I've also read reports claiming that even if drivers finish their shifts earlier than scheduled, they are still paid for the full 5 hours. Not a bad deal for more than $100 each day. 6. Launch a blog. Have you ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog, share recipes or how-to videos, or otherwise get your ideas and thoughts published? While doing that, you could profit from Amazon. Think about it. If your friends click the link to a cool product you found on Amazon and end up purchasing it, you will be compensated. Because that link is shared with many more people when it is posted on your blog, or social media page, or even in an email, you can earn a lot more in commissions. That is how the Amazon Associates program functions. You can join the affiliate program Amazon Associates to receive unique links that you can only share. You receive a portion of the sale after sharing the link and someone makes a purchase. Although the commission rates aren't particularly high, they're typically only 3 to 5%, the volume and conversion rates you get from spreading those links more than make up for it. 5. Use retail arbitrage to flip items purchased from a store. Wooden tiles with the word arbitrage on them. If you used to watch The Office in the United States, you may recall the episode where Dwight accumulated all the Princess Unicorn dolls around Christmas. He intended to offer them for $200 or more to last-minute buyers. In a nutshell, it is how retail arbitrage operates. You shop at a retail establishment like Walmart, Target, Barnes & Noble, etc. to identify and purchase inexpensive goods for arbitrage. Then, you mark up the price and resell those things on Amazon. Although it takes patience to be an arbitrage seller. Frequently, vendors will spend the majority of a day or a weekend looking for things in retail establishments just to leave empty-handed. But don't let that discourage you. Many individuals use this strategy when they first begin selling on Amazon. 4. Use online arbitrage to flip items from an online store. In contrast to retail arbitrage, which involves purchasing goods in person, online arbitrage involves purchasing goods from other online retailers to resell on Amazon. With retail arbitrage, your options for purchasing merchandise are constrained to local brick-and-mortar establishments, whereas with internet arbitrage, the options are virtually limitless. Products from numerous online merchants, including eBay, Walmart, Target, CVS, Home Depot, and others, can be flipped. 3. Perform Amazon rep work from home. While working from home, earn money on Amazon. One of the world's largest employers, Amazon is rising quickly. After acquiring Whole Foods in 2017, Amazon currently employs over 650,000 people. Naturally, not all of those workers are based at Amazon's corporate office in Seattle, Washington. In actuality, many of Amazon's workers are remote workers who conduct their business from the convenience of their homes. Looking quickly on Google, it appears that data entry and customer service are the two job categories that are most prevalent. In addition, Amazon set a $15 minimum wage in 2018. As a result, as a full-time, remote Amazon representative, you could earn at the very least $30,000 annually. 2. Participate in Mechanical Turk. A marketplace for crowdsourcing exists at Amazon Mechanical Turk, M-Turk. Mechanical Turk is a small, amusingly named program from Amazon, M-Turk. Mechanical Turk serves as a center for outsourced tasks, whether they involve data validation, research, or taking surveys. The combined efforts of hundreds, and thousands, of remote workers like you go by the name Mechanical Turk, which might suggest artificial intelligence. How much money can I make using the Mechanical Turk program on Amazon? A 20-hour workweek would cost roughly $120 to $200. Mechanical Turk pays slightly less than some of Amazon's work programs because it requires less upkeep. However, according to online reports, employees of Mechanical Turk can still anticipate earning between $6 and $10 per hour. 1. Create and sell your own goods on Amazon using Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade might be the place for you if you're artistic. Only those who have received an invitation may use Amazon Handmade to create and market their own products. Since you would be producing the orders yourself, it obviously takes a little more work to stay on top of your orders. However, Amazon provides tremendous brand exposure. A sizable audience can find your distinctive products thanks to Amazon Handmade. How much could I earn by selling handmade goods on Amazon? Around $30 per day. Although your earning potential with Amazon Handmade is limitless given the enormous audience Amazon has to market to, 63% of handmade artisans make over $1,000 per month in sales. Handmade sellers are profitable even with Amazon's fees. 33% of handmade sellers reported profit margins of 20% or more. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.